Want to create stunning AI-generated art in seconds without any design skills? Let me introduce you to ArtSpace.ai, the game changer for creators and marketers. Most AI art tools are either complicated or give you random results that don't look professional. ArtSpace.ai fixes that. It lets anyone, even total beginners, create pro level AI artwork, social media graphics, and even 3D style images with just a simple prompt. Just type what you want and watch your art come to life. Here's why I love ArtSpace.ai. First, it delivers lightning fast results. You get high quality art in just seconds. Second, it offers multiple artistic styles, from realistic portraits to digital painting, concept art, and more. Third, it's commercial use friendly, perfect for content creators, YouTubers, and marketers who want images they can actually use. You can even create social posts, add graphics, and thumbnails from your prompts. If you want to try artspace.ai for yourself, I've put the link below this video. Plus, I've included my AI prompt cheat sheet as a free bonus to help you create your best art faster. Check it out and start making incredible AI art today.